What's up, guys? I'm here to describe my dirtbag problem, see if anyone can give me a pointer of how to fix it. Um, I was riding one day, and I was riding, I made it probably a couple hundred yards, and it just bogged down. It hasn't started since. I replaced a spark plug and done all that whatnot, and it still just hasn't started, and it just won't start. And I'm just not really mechanic-wise, I don't really know what to do, but I don't really want to pay a mechanic to fix it, but I just want to see if anybody can give me a pointer. I'll go ahead and try to start it for you. Yeah, if anybody can just help me on a comment or something, kind of tell me what it is, and maybe I can try to fix it. I have no idea, but it'd be great.